Tashi delay, everyone. Today I would like to continue sharing with you from the King of Glorious Sutras called the Exalted Sublime Golden Light Mahayana Sutra. And since I've not mentioned it so far, we are in fact going through the 21 chapter Tibetan version. There are more than one version of the Sublime Golden Light Sutra, and hopefully we will, through the merit of our recitation, one day get to look at more of them. But today we are still in chapter 2, part 8. We'll be reading about the Bodhicitta of the 32,000 sons of gods and Bodhisattva Ruciraketu's delight. Tathagata om dare dare bandare svaha. 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 Denehle busum trini tongi, dejin shekbe kutsetse, tempa zamodeta bude daktone. Tanche kila na mepa, yang dak pazok pe chang chup tu sem kede. Deda ki kuntu tok paraptu gane drayanchi, tu si suche padi dagme so. Sangyen yang yong mi da, chekyang nu pa ming gyurte. Sem chen yong su min ze chi, yong su nyang en da wa ton. Sangye chon den san mi kyab, de jin shek pa tak pe ku. Sem chen nam la ben pe shir, ke pa nam pa na sok ton. Dene chang shu senpa zek pe togi. Sangye chom den de dak dan kye budam pa den yi le chom den de. Shakya tu pe ku tse tse ten pa tone. Sim jingula yiran shing rab tu gate, gawadan yi dewa ge, ne gawadan guwa gya chenpo kya par gyurto. Dejin shepe ku tse tse ten pa di shepe tse. Sem chen se me drang me pa, dak lana me pa yan dak par zok pe chang chup tu sem kye so. Dejin shek pa de dak yang, minang war gyurto. Sero dampa dode wang po gyalpo le dejin shekpe kutset se tenpe leo jejawa teni pa o. May whatever merit is generated by the recitation of these verses be dedicated to the awakening of all sentient beings. May a special share of the merit be dedicated to Johannes Nobel, whose academic work made this work of devotion possible. May a special share of the merit be dedicated to Losang Dawa and Ronald Eric Emmerich, Lotsawas of this sublime king of sutras. May any mistakes in the definite sounds, letters, and words of this sutra be forgiven by the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, and the great goddess Sarasvati. May the four heavenly kings uphold their commitments to the Tathagata, that the Sutra of Golden Light may last long in Jambudvipa to benefit sentient beings. Please like, share, subscribe if you rejoice in this sutra recitation and would like more Dharma videos like this. I hope to recite the entire Sutra of Golden Light slowly over time, and will try to release new recitations every so.